Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday. Alright, guys, that is wonderful. And remember, this is a time from now on, and for 2 weeks we will have a drive with Wish Wednesday. We will have your wish songs not only on these Wednesdays like we usually have, but we will throw them in here and there throughout the weeks for the next 2 weeks. So yeah, get your song here on Going Guitar, wish for songs, and we'll see if it's your that comes up here on Going Guitar. So yeah. Anyway, this time we have a song from Gremlin. It's called Whiskey Over Ice. It's you, Goose 2, who wished for this song. So yeah, this is special for you and for you Gremlin fans. Let's take a look at this cool song. So Whiskey Over Ice, it's basically 4 different chords. We will look at the picking pattern, but also the string pattern. So let's go over the chords first. They're the basics for everything here. So let's start with the G sharp minor, and we'll work a lot with bar chords. Therefore, no need for any capo on this one. So first, G sharp minor goes with a bar on the 4th fret. And you bar all strings there, and then you need to add 6 on A and 6 on D. The next chord will be a B. I think the best scenario for us is go over to this position to continue with bar chords. It's easier on the 7th fret here, so you bar all strings on 7th fret, and then you need to add 9 on A, 9 on D, and 8 on G. We'll continue with the F sharp chord. It's the exact same grip as the B, but you place it here on the 2nd fret with your bar finger. Index on the 2nd fret, you bar all strings there. And like I said, exact same shape. That gives us 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. There we have your F sharp, and the final chord will be the E. It's a standard E. It goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And that will be the chord progression throughout the song. G sharp, minor, B, F sharp, and E. All right, let's take a look at the picking pattern. So it goes like this. So that is one round, pretty much in the same way throughout the song. So we're gonna start here chord by chord, starting with the G sharp minor. All right, so this will be the grip. Okay, so you place one finger on the 4th fret E string, and I suggest you play the ring finger on the 6th fret A string. All right, so index on 4th E and your ring finger on 6th A. That is my suggestion. I will explain soon, and you will understand as well. It goes like this. That's the first round. So 4th on E, 6 on A, then open B, and back to 6 on A. And this open B string down there will be with us throughout this melody. So that is one round. You're gonna play it for 2. So the next shape will be based upon the B chord. And what you do here is to keep that ring finger on the 6th fret A string. Now, if you can add your little pinky on the 7th fret E string. That will be your new shape now. Okay, so if you can do it like this, you don't have to, but that's my recommendation if you can. It goes like this. 2 rounds of that shape will be 7th fret E string, 6 A, open B, and back to 6 A. So it's the same pattern as the G sharp minor. So for 2 rounds. Over now to the F sharp part. It goes like this. Again, 2 rounds of that. And you play now the 2nd fret E string, the 1st fret D string, open B, and back to first D for 2 rounds. And now we have the E, and here in this verse play, we have the E, which is played with different endings every other round, all right? So the first round now, we're gonna play this ending. 2 rounds of the same, okay? And here I suggest again, if you can go from this E over to this position to get the E shape, okay? It will be with the ring finger on the 6th fret A string. I suggest you go with that finger there and play 2 rounds of that. It will be open E string, 6A, open B, and 6A. You play for 2 rounds in this first round. You finished 1 chord progression round now. Next time you go back, you play everything the same, the G sharp minor, the B, the F sharp. And when you come to E now, you come to this position again. You're gonna play it for 1 round, the same we just learned. So, but the second round, you will add the 4th fret D string, and you can do that with your index finger. And that is why I suggest you hold that grip, that 6A with your ring finger, so you can reach out very easily to this 4th fret D string. So the second round, still in this final E, will be like this. So that is open E, 6A, 4th D, and back to 6A. So in the second round, the full E part will be 1 round of and 1 round of. And there you have the verse play. So to summarize it, it will be G sharp minor, 2 rounds, then the B, sorry I go for chords now, G sharp here, then the B, then we have the F sharp, and then we have the E for 2 rounds. In the first round, just this grip. Second round, we have the same starting here with the G sharp, B, and F sharp, but the final E, you have this grip, and then you add this for the second round you play that melody. So there you have the verse play. When it comes to chorus later, then you will just go with the same picking pattern shape, but you will skip this added E with this 4th fret D string. You will just go with E 2 full rounds of this part. Okay, so just this E. So same shape. So G sharp 2, B2, F sharp 2, and E2. No different endings there. So that is the chorus play when it comes to picking pattern. All right, so I promised I will give you the strumming pattern. So now we'll go back to the basic chords. We had the G sharp minor, we had the B, with the F sharp, and then E. So 1 string around, if we go to the G sharp minor, since that is the first chord, will be. So that will be down, 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 up. Down, 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 down. A couple rounds of it. And so on. You will play 2 string rounds per chord in that chord progression, and it goes. And there you have the strumming pattern as well. So picking and strumming, everything you need to handle gremlins, whiskey over ice. Goose 2, hope you enjoy this great song that you come up with here on Gordon Guitar. So just a reminder again, continue to wish for songs. We have 2 weeks now, and we will have more than just 1 or 2 wish songs. I'm gonna throw in a lot of wish songs, your songs that you interact with me and asked for. So yeah, stay awake, stay tuned, and until next time, play tuned.